Hello and welcome back to Parts Factory Australia. Today guys, we have the privilege of 1,000 cars here at our disposal to continue doing your installation tutorials that you might have seen, you might not have seen. If you haven't, welcome to Parts Factory Australia guys. Here we do tutorial videos where we show you how to install basic parts onto most cars in Australia and throughout the world. Today, specifically, we're working on this Holden Commodore wagon. We're going to be changing this boot lock. Super duper common problem. Basically, the electronic actuator mechanism on the inside of the lock stops functioning. You can't open your boot with your key. You have to come in here, manually unlock it with a big flat tip screwdriver, but it can be super annoying. Parts Factory Australia, here we sell the replacement part that you require. Here it is here. Super duper easy guys, with 2 screws and a plug. Unbolt the old one, chuck the new one in, and you get your functioning boot, hatch, tailgate, whatever on this wagon happening again for you. Help you go and get groceries with your kids and whatnot. It can be an absolute bitch if you have to come in here and use a flat tip screwdriver to unlock your tailgate every single time. Guys, I think this is $148.30 on our website at the moment as of 2023. So if you did need it, we'll leave the link in the bio of the video. And guys, just a quick shout out to Southport Wreckers. That's their actual name. I think they originated in Southport on the Gold Coast. They specialize in used engines. Check this out over here. As you can see, you've literally got every engine you could ever need. So if you do need something engine transmission sort of wise, we're going to link the website in the bio. You can click on that. I think it's southportwreckersonline.com.au, but don't quote me on that. Check out the link in the bio. Used engines, I think they're the cheapest in Australia, and they ship to you. Alrighty guys, let's jump into the fit. Alrighty guys, so if you can't get your tailgate open at this stage, you're actually going to need to crawl into the back of your car and access this little, it's basically a little port for a flat screwdriver. You screw it in and just go, and the tailgate will pop up. Someone's already hacked away at all this car, so I can't give you the full demo. But as you'll already notice on your car, you're gonna have a trim here, and you're gonna have a trim here. This top one comes off first, and this trim piece here comes off second. The little flathead and Torx bits rather. Some of them, a few little Torx bits around the joint, and these are just pressed in clips. So that whole trim is just gonna pop off. Place it to the side. This is a trim here. You can see this just pressure clips. So yeah, so it's down like that. You can literally just go pop it off, place it to the side. Obviously mine's stuffed, so it doesn't really matter too much. Yeah, then now you'll be able to access this little beauty here. Someone's already hacked at this wiring, so I can't even demonstrate how to, well, I mean I can. You just grab a little flathead. You can just pop this plug off just like this. You can just jam a little screwdriver in there. Maybe a better screwdriver would be good, but you should just be able to go like that. Mine's a bit fragile. It's been sitting in the sun for a few years, but it just pops it off like that. See, that's here. As I said, it's a bit fragile, but obviously we don't need any of this, so I'm gonna chuck that back in. Now, you've got a few Torx bits. So by this stage, you're probably realizing that this is gonna be a very simple job. Hopefully, you can just pop those Torx bits out like so. Got 1, 2, and then you got 1 here. You can see the boot lock's now starting to move. That way we can actually just pull it through like this. And that's it there, guys. Alrighty guys, so we've got our genuine Holden one out. As you can see, here's your Parts Factory one. Direct replacement, guys. There's nothing really else I can say. Put it in, 3-year warranty. Anything goes wrong with it, we'll send you a replacement free of charge. So definitely check out the link in the description of this video. Guys, I won't be putting the Parts Factory one in this wrecker car. So we're now just gonna bring the old one back up in. Line it up with your holes. Super straightforward, as you can imagine. Now, use your fingers to start these threads. You do not want to cross thread these. Fingers in. Hopefully you've got more hands than I do. And start it off. Hopefully you got 3 hands. Hopefully you got 3 arms. Anyway, using your fingers, you're putting these in by hand until you feel them go in nice and straightforward. Same thing under here, in by hand. And of course, bring your rattler gun up. Get them nice and tight before you start your rattle gun action. Then finish them off with a few clicks. As you can imagine, plug back on, super duper straightforward. Test to see if it works. Close, go with your key and however you wish to do it. You can use your center console, you can use your key. Test to make sure it works. Trims back on, and of course, close your boot. And that would be job complete. Guys, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the website. We have this part available on partsfactoryoz.com.au. Super easy to use. We'll ship it to you in Australia. I think it's what, two days. You get it straight to your door, and it's free of charge, best of all. Alrighty guys, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm Lucas Drabs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.